This review 2025 is Plus Legit Trading Platform Review. You won't believe how online trading has changed in 2025. This promises a user-friendly platform, diverse instruments, and competitive spreads, but is it really legit? The surprising truth is regulation. Most people get this wrong by assuming online trading platforms are untrustworthy. This is fully regulated by top-tier authorities and offers negative balance protection, ensuring your investments are safer than many competitors. One major advantage is usability. You won't believe what happens next when you see intuitive desktop and mobile platforms, advanced charting tools, and easy risk management options like stop loss and trailing stop orders. Traders can access forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies all in one place. This also offers demo accounts, allowing users to practice without financial risk, and the platform provides educational resources for beginners. However, there are cons. Fees apply for overnight positions and inactivity. The platform focuses on keyless, so you don't actually own the underlying assets. Customer support is responsive but limited during peak hours. In conclusion, Plus in 2025 is a legit and reliable trading platform for those seeking diverse instruments and strong regulatory oversight. While KIF trading and fees are considerations, usability, safety, and educational support make it suitable for both novice and experienced traders.